So as some of you know, I've moved to Ireland recently. Now, I've been getting a little bit bored, wanted to do something with my time. I bought a 3D printer, realized, oh, I need to clean some stuff, do a bit of sanding, do some work, some small jobs. And I thought, well, this is time to refit my rented shed. As you can see, it's full of crap. Old pieces of wood, boxes, lawn mowers, garden tools. I don't actually know what's inside here. First I started off cleaning it. It was so full of spider webs. I had to wipe everything down. It was in my face, it was in my hair. I'm not scared of spiders. I also don't want them crawling around on me when I don't expect it. There's actually a wasp you can see on my hand trying to sting me over there. Pick it up, let it go outside. I think it's hibernating. I found a few more of them. There's my cat outside. I had to take it back inside, otherwise she'll run away. Here I'm just measuring out what the size of the shed is. It's not very big. 2.3 by 1.8. It's tiny. I don't even know if it's as high as me. I keep bumping my head on the door. I also started finding old paint tins, fertilizers, pesticides, mostly paint tins inside there. There's an old cotton here that I was wondering if I could use that frame and decided no, I'll just toss it. This piece of wood I have here could be handy to make a small work surface with it. There's two pieces like this the same size, so maybe one of them could be a small work surface that's removable or permanently mounted into the corner so it's out of the way. It could be handy, at least I don't have to go and buy a worktop. set myself a couple of simple rules for for refitting the shed. One, everything I do needs to be cheap. This is a rented house and a rented shed. I don't want to pay for things that I am just going to lose anyway. Number two, I want to use as much of my own tools I have already. I don't want to go and buy expensive tools for it. Number three, it needs to be usable as a workshop and as storage, because my wife stores things out there, and we feed the birds outside there, so it has to be useful. Number four, whatever I do inside here is going to have to be work that can be done in dirty conditions. The shed is in a terrible condition. It's open to the elements. I can't put anything high value in there, so it's just a small little shop area that I can work in to clean things up, do a bit of sanding, assemble something that might not be good for indoors. Anyway, thanks for watching this old boring video.